I'm going to be doing the retightening and showing you how she does it and how she's going to merge some of my locks and what it will look like at the end. Hopefully I don't regret it. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Anne. On the video today, I'm going to be showing you guys how I do my retightening. For those of you who don't know, I live in Lagos, Nigeria, and labor isn't that expensive, so I've been able to get a loctician that can do my hair for me every 4 to 6 weeks. It depends on how rough my hair or how much my hair grows in that period. So I'm going to be showing you how I get my hair locked, and I'll be speaking to the loctician and tell her exactly what I want. So I'm not quite happy with some of my locks. Some are really tiny. I don't know if you can see this. So the ones in front have become so tiny, and then it feels like it's about to break off. So I'm going to be merging some of the locks. Let me show you what my hair looks like so far. So it's growing. Let me put one, and this is the front one. So this is how much has grown. And then I'm going to be doing the retightening and showing you how she does it and how she's going to merge some of my locks and what it will look like at the end. Hopefully I don't regret it. I like the back. The back is a bit big, but the front was just too tiny, and then that's why it's breaking. And I think that my type of hair in front is also, because it's not thickening like, the back. I almost started feeling like maybe I should have made slightly bigger locks. So well, let's see how it goes, and I will get back to you. Good to see you all. Thanks for watching. Hi, so I have Omolola with me. Hello. Hi. Omolola's been locking my hair for how many months now? Maybe 6-7 months. And she's going to do the retightening. She likes tiny Microlocs. So when I tell her that I want to merge my hair, for her it's like, there's nothing wrong with your hair, but you can see. Can you see what I mean? Mm-hmm. Are you going to put it in a grid so that you'll be able to? That's what I'm trying to. Okay. So what you're saying is that when people are doing locks, they should
try to make it equal
from front to back.
From the front to the back, because when you're going to have any this thing, at the end of the day, it's not going to be as bad as you are facing these challenges of.
Yes, your front thins out. You say your front becomes thinner. Mm-hmm. It thins out more than the back.
Yes.
Koroba. So now, are you going to be able to make it the same size?
Sure.
Okay. Would that mean that you're going to loosen some? How would it work?
You can patch it together. Just really put it together to try to make one.
Okay. But it will be the same size as well.
Sure.
I noticed that when you're locking hair, you don't wet your own before.
Wet? Except the hair stuck together that you need to put it.
Wet it to separate it, yeah.
To make it soft so that when you are open it, it's not going to be.
So if it's not stuck together, then we don't need.
We don't need it.
You're doing, what rotation are you doing for me?
4.
What's the difference between 4 and 2?
So it's softer than 4.
So why do you like 4? Isn't it better for
More
it to be 2?
tighter.
It's tighter.
Mm-hmm.
Why do you want it tighter? Is it not better when it looks, I don't know.
Texture of your hair. Soft. It's not as strong as those ones that can do 3.
Oh, so because of the type of my hair, it's better for me to do 4 points. I know people on my channel will be wondering, you that you're doing locks for people, how come you don't have locks yourself?
I was trying to sitting down.
But it's not so long now, but you can stand and make for other people.
Sure.
Okay, let's see. Have you merged anyone yet?
Not yet.
Okay. So show me the one.
This one.
Let me see. Which one is thin? Can you move your hand? Let me see. Oh, see, this one is about to break. Can you see? It's so thin. So you're going to merge it with this one to become one like this.
Become one, yes.
Okay. Okay, let's see.
Trying it together from the bottom.
Ooh, careful, that's painful. So what will happen? That means there'll be 2.
There will be 2.
Oh.
I'm trying it together to make one because the bottom now is 1 already.
So they are going to, okay.
I'll use needle I use the pen.
Okay.
Put into this one.
Okay.
And glue this one into it.
Oh, okay. So you merge the 2
together.
Okay. Oh, it's a bit painful.
So you can see. Started adding together.
So you're going to add it all the way.
Oh.
Okay.
To help. That's how we continue. Bring this into the second one.
Oh, okay. Okay, I prefer that. So it's still not even big now. You that you're saying that it's going to become big. It's still not big now.
I'm not talking of big. I'm talking of line. I need that line.
But if you're doing line, right, and it's my hair is not healthy, it's still going to break anyway. Jonathan, so I think I'm more interested in the exactly the health of the hair than the grid.
Line of the hair.
What if I just leave my hair down? How many times do I really pack or do all these things? Yeah, as long as I have major grid, like my center part, you know, I like to weave my hair on 2 sides. As long as I have the base, yeah, it mustn't be perfect. So now she has merged them. Well, I'll just wait, please. Let me show. Now you've merged them, so can you see my locks are generally slightly bigger in the front now, and I'm more comfortable with this because at least I don't feel like my hair is about to fall off from the roots all the time. Yeah. But this is like the back, Abby.
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you. So I'm done with the installation now. And if you notice, my locks are a lot bigger in the front now because, well, not a lot bigger, but so I made them thicker so they're not falling out again. I think I'm liking it. What do you guys think? What do you guys think?